Hello and welcome to this Math Habits lesson on subtracting mixed numbers by using improper fractions. Let's take the equation 3 7/12 minus 2 11/12. Well, we can see that we can take the 2 wholes away from the 3 wholes to give us 1 whole, but we cannot take away 11/12 from 7/12 because you can't take a big number away from a smaller number. So, what can we do? Well, for this particular strategy, we're going to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. So, we start with the mixed number 3 wholes and 7/12. The 3 wholes can be converted to 3 lots of 12/12. So, we can add those together there. And as you can see, we get 36/12. Then we add on the fractional part of the mixed number, which is 7/12, and we get 43/12. Now that is a fully expanded way of converting a mixed number in Math World. This is how we do it in everyday reality. We'd say 3 times 12/12 plus 7/12, which is equivalent to 3 times 12/12 is 36/12 plus 7/12 equals 43/12. Now that you can see how the process works, here are the super simple steps to converting a mixed number. You multiply the 3 wholes with the denominator 12, which equals 36, then add the numerator 7, which equals 43, and put that over the original denominator 12, and we have 43/12. This is a good point to hit pause and reflect on the lesson so far. When you are ready, continue to see how we solve the equation. So here is our original equation. 3 wholes and 7/12 take away 2 wholes and 11/12. Well, we have already converted 3 wholes and 7/12 to 43/12. So now we have to convert 2 wholes and 11/12 to an improper fraction. Well, 2 times 12 equals 24. Then we add the numerator of 11 and we get 24 plus 11 equals 35/12. Remember, the denominator always remains the same when we add and subtract fractions. Now, all that is left to do is take 35/12 away from 43/12. 43 take away 35 equals 8, and the denominator remains the same, so we have 8/12. And that is it. So review this lesson as often as you need, and also check out the other lessons that are available for subtracting mixed numbers.